Right, what's going on, guys? This is Scott, and it's been a hell of a long time since I've done any sort of commentary or whatsoever. So yeah, this is just basically going to be a Sony Vegas tutorial on the utmost basics of, like, once you've got some raw footage, how to like split the clip out and then render it, and also show my render settings so you can use them if you wish. So yeah, what we're going to do is going to go find our recordings, and I'm just going to use this clip here. It's just in the cross map throwing knife, and then as you can see I've written the time here, so it's 8:20. So what you're going to do what you're going to want to do once you've got the clip in Sony Vegas is just drag it to the start of the timeline, and as you can see the cursor's here, so you're going to want to just click at the start, and as you can see there's a black line down here, and that's basically just what you get from a PVR recording. So how to get rid of that is you go event pan crop and click that, and then making sure these two things here are clicked, the size about center and lock aspect ratio, and you're just going to click a corner and drag it in ever so slightly, not that much, just there, just enough so the black line is gone, and you close that. As you can see, as you go through like the video, there isn't any black line. So yeah, next thing you're going to do, I keep saying that, next thing you're going to want to do is right click the video layer and click properties, and then disable resample and OK that. And what that basically does is that will improve the quality of the clip, like while you're editing in that. So yeah, and then as you can see it's 8:20 the clip, so we're just going to scroll along until we see 8:20 here. That's pretty much it. So I'm going to want to start my clip here, so press S on the keyboard to split the clip. Now this is now waste, so you can either right click delete or just press delete on your keyboard and that does the same thing. So then using your arrow keys, just going to scroll along until where you want to stop, where you want the clip to end. So I'm just going to pick about there, so once again press S on your keyboard and then press delete to get rid of this excess. So now you have your clip. I'm just going to drag this to the start of the timeline here, and here you can like mess around with the audio levels. If you go down, then that will be making it quieter. If you go up, that'll make it louder. If you keep it naught, that'll just be like the volume that it records. Oh, there we go, that'll be. Here you can also chug on some color correction if you want. Actually I'll save that for a different video. So yeah, from there, so once you have your clip, you need to double click up here where you have your little cursor and a little like left and right arrow thing. Double click there, that will highlight this clip. Then what you're going to do then you're going to want to click file, then render as, and then here you pick your destination where you want to render it. I'm just going to go, where's new projects, there's episode 9, clips. We're going to go across map throwing knife Modern Warfare 3. As you can see, I have my my save type is main concept AVC/AAC, which comes out as .mp4, and then I have my own setting here, and then you press custom, and this is basically my render settings. So the frame size is 1280 by 720, profile is main, frame rate is 60 point, all them zeros, oh excuse me, and then allow source to adjust frame rate is checked, field order is on none, pixel aspect ratio is on 1, number of reference frames is on 2. We've used the blocking filter unchecked. Then variable bitrate 14 million on both of those. And we go into the audio tab, and then sample rate 48,000, bit rate is 128,000, and move on to the project. Video rendering quality is on best, and then just use project settings for that, and okay, and then you're gonna press save, and that will then render it out into your destination as a .mp4. So yeah, this has been the basics of like how to cut out a clip and get rid of the edges and whatsoever, and also my render settings. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll bring out some more of these with color correction and whatsoever. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, cheers for watching, guys, and I'll catch you later.